So there are millions of people in the world today trying to work and live without all 10 of their fingers and without a prosthesis. That's a lot of people that need help. Working with other amputees in the past, we have become very aware that many people cannot afford the high price of even a basic prosthesis. People do not choose to lose a limb or an appendage, so I believe they should not have to pay thousands of dollars for a prosthesis.
In addition to contributing the great needs of the low-cost prosthesis with advanced function, prosthesis design offers a very unique design challenge to our students. Every patient's unique situation demands actual rigor from students to develop the projects. Their project must work, not just look good.
Creating a mechanism that mimics the motion of real fingers was definitely the greatest challenge of Lunet's design. It took nearly 100 prototypes and iterations of the design in order to invent a robust and simple mechanism that closely matches the range of motion of real fingers. The novel mechanism I designed for Lunet is simple and robust. It consists of only 2 segments and has just 5 moving parts. This reduction in part count makes for a simplified mechanism that is not only more durable and easier/quicker to produce, but more directly transfers the user's body power into the motion of the prosthesis, leading to higher usable grip force. I was truly astounded reading the words that Lunet was nominated for Red Dot Luminary. I was shocked because I fully understood how special it is and the significance of what it means to be nominated for Luminary. And I hope that this achievement can earn worldwide recognition for myself, for UH, for Lunet, and for the issue it solves.